Here I've got Motorola Moto G7 Play, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to go to display, and here you will notice night light. Simply click on it, and if you would like to activate it right now, just click on turn on now. And that's it. You have your night light active. You can change the intensity, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors. Then if you'd like to switch off night light, just click on the same icon one more time. And as you can see, now it's off. You can also schedule night mode. Simply click on schedule, and you can either pick turns on custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So let me show you how to personalize the time. You have to click on turns on at custom time and smoothly select the period of time on which you would like to have it applied. So it can be 11 p.m. till 7 a.m. next day. So that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate nightlight, and also how you can schedule it. You can also activate nightlight quickly through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and locate nightlight icon. Here it is. Just by tapping on it, you can activate night mode, and then if you'd like to switch it off, do the same thing. So simply click on the icon. And that would be all. This is how you can use night mode in your device in your Motorola Moto G7 Play. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.